gonna try straight from the source. Here we go. Extra virgin, extra virgin. Buono buono. Welcome back to Turtle Farm Albania, guys. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere with my boy Erjan, and today we're gonna show you guys how to make Albanian olive oil. Albanian olive oil.
Yeah, Albanian olive oil with olives of the village. It's a very, very beautiful process, seeing the olives going through the machine, and in the end you get the oil. Very, very healthy.
Perfect. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off right now with traditional lunch. This is like village lunch. So we have village chicken, we have the cheese, the amazing cheese. What's it called?
Napa cheese.
Napa cheese. What's this one?
That's fërgesë.
That's fërgesë with but like oil on top, right? It looks like a thick soup actually.
Yeah, but it's very tasty if you try it with some bread.
And then over here we have the salad. So it's tomato, cucumber, green pepper. We also have this is like dessert.
Yeah, it's a qumshtur. It's like milk dessert.
Milk dessert. Yeah. So it's almost like a yogurt.
Not really yogurt. It's sweet.
It's sweet.
Yeah.
Okay. And then over here we have raki, white wine, red wine, and then the new season wine. I think we'll just try maybe one or two. No more raki. I'm done with raki. We saw how the raki is made. We had a few glasses this morning. I'm good with raki. We're gonna do this, then we're gonna see the turtles, the tortoises. We're gonna feed them. We're gonna throw some of them in some water, get them wet, and then we're gonna see how olive oil is made. And the way to do it here is that we go to a restaurant. So we get our olives from the olive grove. Over here to the right, we have olive trees, right? So we collect them here. Everybody collects from their house. Then they go to the restaurant and he presses them and makes olive oil.
It's a factory, yeah.
It's a factory, yeah.
Factory of olive oil. So we'll fill some olives from the tree. We'll take some olives from the tree and we'll send them there, and maybe we can make today like 2 liters of olive oil.
Perfect.
Yeah.
My friend, let's eat because the bees are coming to our food.
So because you are in the nature, many bees come around our food, and I have found a very good and smart way to burn the coffee and the pollution of coffee. It make the bees goes away, and the smell is very good.
Village chicken, I'm just diving in. Look at this, amazing.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my god. This is wowzer. Mmm. So organic, and the skin so crunchy. So your mom made this right now, right?
Yeah, just made it.
Mm-hmm. And this chicken comes from here.
Yeah, we have many around. Like we can see, left side, right side, many chickens.
How many chickens do you guys have? A bunch, because you mean
around 120.
120?
Yeah, and they do like a lot of eggs every day.
You go to the farms, you get the freshest eggs. Every single day the chickens lay eggs.
Yeah.
That's what you eat.
It's funny, like every day I eat like 3, 4, sometimes 5 eggs. Yeah.
I'll tell you guys, I've had so much chicken in my lifetime, but village chicken like this always gets me. It tastes so just organic as you can get. No steroids, delicious. So this is what people eat when they come, but we also have vegetarian options, right? Nice rice. So if you guys don't know what fërgesë is, it's basically like roasted peppers that have been broken down into like a puree.
Yeah, it depends. We have many ways of doing it, but this my mother had made this with
wow,
with the juice of the chicken after it boils it.
Okay.
Then corn flour.
And you have what you say, intestines here?
Yeah, and the kidney of the chicken.
Mmm. Oh my god, the taste is amazing. It basically tastes like a mash of roasted pepper, but with a lot of oil. It's not so thick. It's more like soupish, you know? Mmm. Pairs really well with the rice, white rice. Also, if you can dip, get some bread, right? Get some bread. Just dip. Look at this. Look at all that. Lots of oil, right? Mmm.
Delicious.
Oh, this one's amazing. With the chicken stock?
Yeah.
The best cheese. I know I say this a lot, but this cheese, dude, it's like burrata. It's like so soft, but at the same time, a little thicker than burrata. Burrata just like explodes.
I like it too much. I eat every day. Same.
For me, the best thing to do with the salad is mix with the cheese. It like overflowed in my mouth. What's left?
Shumastor.
Shumastor. It's almost like flan. Same texture. It's sweet and creamy, and a little thick. Not too. It's not like yogurt that like flows, you know, like it falls apart.
Yeah, Shumastor is another delicious dish I prefer when I have some dessert.
It's like creme brulee, but without the burnt part on top.
Oh yeah.
That's exactly what it is. All right, my friend. So this is red wine. What grape is this?
This is a Z. So we can understand how much alcohol is from these lines going down. If too many means too much alcohol. If like this, it's about 12.
Z?
This is Z, which is a very local grape, and I love my wine because you can smell.
You can smell it. It's fruity, a young wine.
Yeah, young one.
Very young wine.
So good.
So I guess the next step is we get some barrels, make a barrel room, and then we just start living and fermenting 1, 2, 3 years. We do the same thing with rakia.
That is a great idea.
We're gonna do that right over there. Barrel room.
Yeah, here at Turtle Farm Albania, nothing going to be wasted, because if you don't eat all salad, we give some to our tortoises. They love salad. Usually we have a place here. They haven't finished the watermelon. Better to cut small pieces. Some like animals.
And here we're gonna eat some watermelon, so we're gonna feed them a little more.
Watermelon that is still here. And the watermelon is over there. So we take some melon and some watermelon. Okay. This is a very good melon. Huh? We can also eat by ourselves.
No, this one is harassing the female. He's like biting her feet and he's trying to crawl up behind her. And look, you see his tail? He's getting ready. Here at Turtle Farm Albania, we have lots of different tortoise sizes. We have over 100 tortoises, from a quarter all the way up to like a 12-incher. That's sort of the max size for a Herman's tortoise. They live 50 years. And yeah, so here we have them all except the baby we have in here. All right, so let's go see how they make Albanian olive oil. We're gonna go over here to pick some olives, and then from there we're gonna drive 2 minutes and make the olive oil. I can't wait. I'm excited. There's so many things that I haven't seen before. Like I've never seen the rakia making. I haven't seen the olive oil. I saw the honey last time. Amazing experience. All right, you're picking them right there?
Almost filling up this. So we'll do around 2 liters of olive oil with this. I think is enough. So now we go to the factory for olive oil, which is 100 meters from here. Do some olive and come back.
That's it, 100 meters?
Yeah. We're just crossing in the middle of the village, where is the center, where all the villages around Daias, they're gathering in the same place in our center. Then we are crossing, we crossed the school, the primary school of the village, and now we are going to...
And there's a mosque.
And the mosque, yeah, it's a new mosque. It's like 10 years old. And now we are going to the oil factory.
Come stai? Tutto a posto? Parli italiano?
Sì.
Sì? Ah sì, ma inglese? Oh, solo italiano. Ok, va bene, se parla italiano posso venire qua e parlare con lui. You know, if not, you speak in English, somebody will bring you, right? All right, so here we are. All right, so they also have a restaurant up there as well. And right here we have the production facility for the olive oil.
So we have enough olive for 1 liter of olive oil. So we can, we'll put the olives here. crushing the olives here.
I was a little confused of what each machine does. Here's how it works. Over here, they cleans it. Then pressure, extraction, right? Extraction, and then here, filtration. Okay, so that's how it works. So out of here, when they get the olive oil, there is like excess from the old one. You have to clean that. Look at that, amazing, amazing. We brought very little. Usually people come with like huge buckets. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try a little bit.
I got it.
I'm gonna try it straight from the source. Here we go. Extra virgin, extra virgin. Buono buono. Il migliore di Albania. So that's the process. Cleaning, pressing, extraction, filtration. Once this is done, once he finishes all of it, then we're gonna pour it from right here straight into the bottles, take it home, and eat. Alright, so we saw the entire process, how to make Albanian olive oil right here in Daias village, Turtle Farm Albania. We're gonna go up to the restaurant, we're gonna get some bread, and we're gonna try delicious olive oil. I tried it, it was so good, delicious. Dude, from your farm. We got the bread?
Yeah. It's a homemade bread. It's and we need some salt. So now we try our specialty. Oh my gosh, looks so good.
It actually looks like very thick and green.
Put some salt with some bread.
So good?
So good.
All right, guys, here we go. Let's try this amazing olive oil from Turtle Farm Albania. The salt, the best. Wow. Mmm, so organic. This is delicious. Actually, it has a lot of flavor. I'm gonna have basically my second lunch right now. Just all bread and olive oil. Mmm. This is incredible. How much olives do you guys have? How much can you make per year?
Maybe 5,000 liters.
5,000 liters? And this is how much?
Sorry, 500 liters. This is half a liter.
Half a liter?
Yeah, 500 liters means 1,000 bottles.
1,000 bottles. Well, basically, we can also buy from the village.
Yeah.
That's the best part about starting something that we're starting, is that you help the locals. They have it. They're selling it. You buy from them. You help them.
So healthy.
It's amazing. Like, I love it. And this bread is great too. Nice, fluffy, airy. Mmm. Wow. Like that, dive in. Mmm. This bread is fantastic. The oil is local. I actually love this restaurant. You can see inside, it's so different because you have all the plants, but you have areas like between, like spaces. So everything is like free flowing, very high roofs. Over here we have a terrace, lots of people eating. Over here we have a kids area. So you can come here, you can literally sit, have your coffee, have your rakia while your kids play. Yeah. Super safe on a deck. Thank you, Filimenderi.
It's our olive, so our stamp. We took the back road to go back to our farm, Turtle Farm, and now we have like 2 minutes away.
If you come to Turtle Farm Albania in season of olives, you can do this experience.
So we have our olive oil, 5 kilograms of olives, and now we put our stamp.
And that is how you make Albanian olive oil. I mean, basically the same thing everywhere, but the olives are straight from the farm. Right from here, right behind us, are the olive groves, right? And yeah, so that's sort of how you can do this experience. Come here, have lunch, see the tortoises, feed them, you can bathe them as well, and then you can go and make some olive oil. So you can pick them. And when is season? Season is right now?
Yeah, it's right now. In 1 week we start harvest all the olives.
Now you know, when you come to Albania, come to Turtle Farm Albania, have some olive oil, some wine, some raki. True experience.
Very real experience.
Real experience. Guys, I hope you love this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. We'll see you in the next travel food adventure in Tirana. What am I saying? Daias. Daias, Turtle Farm Albania. Peace.